Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on ASST stock just a couple of days ago on November the 5th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $1.28 at pre-market hours. And my main assumption was that as long as this line of support holds, we have all the chances to hit this previous swing high at $1.83, which might bring us about 43% of upside potential. And guys, take a look right here. When I made my previous video, we were at this point, and since I published this video, this asset went up and gained to its highest point about 31% of potential profit. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And at the very end of this video, I will show you the most recent calls to actions that I made to my patrons about a couple of days ago. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, and if you want to accept my risk-free offer with 100% money-back guarantee, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So, and let's take a look at the fundamentals. That was the reason of its recent movement to the upside. If we type in Google search bar ASST stock and switch to News tab folder, you will see several recent news, and this news grabs my attention. It was published on tpranks.com just yesterday, and it's titled, "Why Vivek Ramaswamy-backed Strive ASST stock is rising in pre-market today." And I have to admit that one of the shareholders and the co-founders of this company is Vivek Ramaswamy, famous, former US presidential candidate, and definitely it is one of the potential bullish catalysts by itself. But the reason of its recent movement to the upside is not that story. Let me show you that, wait a second, ASST stock jumped more than 16% after it increased and priced its initial public offering of variable rate serious perpetual preferred stock SATA at $80 per share. The offering is designed to help the company expand its Bitcoin holdings without diluting common shareholders. And this is quite interesting step. They will collect a lot of money in order to acquire more Bitcoin to their treasury, but they will not dilute existing ASST shareholders. That is why, guys, without increasing supply for the shares and with more demand, definitely this stock goes higher and with more bullish news. And that is why, guys, the price target of $1.83 is still on the table. Let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's zoom into the most recent price action, and let me show you that if you entered your position as I told you back in my previous video, you might be up to the current price by about 14%. And yes, within just 2 sessions, 14% is extremely well result, but it is not the end. let me show you the most recent movement, and let me do a breakdown of this wave. From this bottom, potentially this is the first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth wave. We've completed all 5 waves and it is clear impulse to the upside. That is why we have to see ABC to the downside. That should complete its 1-2 setup, and then it will be another set of legs to the upside that will hit and probably will break this previous top. And guys, let's do some measurements. If I pull a FIBA retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because we completed all 5 waves, we have a perfect reaction out of the 0.5 level, and technically speaking it is the first level from which you can accumulate your position to catch its next movement to the upside. The second level and the most probable level of trend reversal is the golden pocket range. It is the level in between 0.65 and 0.618 at the price point in between $1.34 and $1.36. And well, we don't have a lot of probabilities to hit this price target, but if the share price hit this level, we have more than 75% probability to see the trend reversal. That is why, guys, technically speaking, we have these 2 levels. First level already marked at $1.42, and you can accumulate incrementally your position to the $1.34 level. And if the price goes below this level, unfortunately we have to book our losses. And if you entered your position, as I told you in my previous video, you're already in green. And in this case, guys, you have to put your stop loss on green territory somewhere around $1.3, because in this case you will be up by just tiny 2.2 or 2.5%, but it will be a profit, and this will prevent this will protect your capital, and this will be a very good setup for the upcoming movement. So guys, and let's take a look at the Discord group, and let me show you the most recent calls that I made to my patrons. You can see that just yesterday I wrote this post, high risk swing trade short BE. It is at overbought condition on multiple time frames, and it is at the top of its potential 5th wave. Guys, take a look at the time when I made it. It was made yesterday at 9:07 p.m. Let's take a look at this time. Here is this asset, and you can see this vertical line. It represented the exact point where I made this call, and from this point this asset went lower, and for now you can see that at the end of aftermarket trading session it went to the downside by 3.61%. And take a look right here. I partially closed my position, wait a second, I partially closed my position for about 2% of profit. When it reached this level of support, I closed this at this point. And take a look right here. For now, Bloom Energy is at $137. So, which means from the entry price, this asset went lower, and we can book, and my students can book up to 6% of profit. And you can see that this type of calls are not the unique ones. You can see another my call that I made on October 28th to short BYND, and I told them to do it with the price when the price of this asset was at $2.29. And guys, take a look where the price of BYND is right now. It is at $1.36, so which means from my call from $2.25, wait a second, I will show you right here, it went down by more than 39%. So the actual call to action, you can see that I made it just yesterday to long Meta. And from the technical standpoint, guys, it has all the chances to gain up to 6% to its value within next several sessions. So that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.